So, good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to derive equations for electric field intensity due to an isolated point charge. Electric field intensity or electric field strength, both are vectors. Already we discussed that. Okay. In today's class, we are going to derive this equation. Consider a charge q. Consider a charge q around which its field is spread. So, at some distance r, you are placing your positive test charge. This is a positive and this is a positive. So, what type of force is acting on this? The force acts on Q naught. The force acts on Q naught due to Q in this direction because these two are repulsive forces. These two are positive charges. So this will repelled by the field of Q. Repelled by the field of Q. So direction of electric field intensity is along the direction of repulsive force. Repulsive force. Okay. So what is the distance between these two? R. R is the distance between these two. Then I will write the formula for this one. F is equals to force between these two. F is equal to what we are going to do is we are going to derive the expression for we are going to derive the expression for E. Capital E. This is electric field intensity, magnitude of electric field intensity, and this is the vector form. This is a vector form and this is the magnitude. Now we are going to get the magnitude. So first of all, we need to write the expression for the repulsive force. F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught because it is placed in a. Q naught by r square. Okay, by r square. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r square. What is formula for electric field intensity? E is equals to F by Q naught. E is equal to F by Q naught. In our previous class, we derived we expressed this one. E is equal to F by Q naught. Now, now E is equals to F means this total force. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q naught by r square. This is F whole divided by Q. You do one thing. Bring this q naught on left hand side. Then you will get this one. Sorry. F is equal to. Bring this q naught on this side. Then you will get this one. E is equal to F by Q naught. Look. F. Bring this q naught on left hand side, F by q naught is equals to remaining terms 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. So this is the expression for E. Magnitude of electric field intensity or electric field strength of the given charge. This is your given charge. This is your given charge. Now we got strength of this charge, electric field intensity or strength of this charge in terms of E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. So this is the expression. Note it down, everyone. If medium get changes, then epsilon naught value will change. Since it is a positive charge, we got this one. And electric field intensity is in the direction of. So you just remember when Q naught is positive, direction of or E bar and F bar both are parallel. That means observe here, direction of E bar and force both are parallel. When Q naught is negative, this is negative. If this is a negative, what happened? Negative. Q naught is a negative, then E bar and F bar are not parallel. Not parallel. I'll give you angle here. They are anti-parallel. Parallel means theta is equals to 0. Not parallel here or anti-parallel. Then theta is equals to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. The angle between E bar and F bar is theta is equal to 0 when it is positive. If it is not positive, not parallel, not parallel, I mean anti-parallel, then theta is equals to 180. Angle between E bar and F bar is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, note it down. We're pausing video. One small application. When it is repelled by this one, then F is equals to MA implies A is equal to F by M. A is equal to F by M. Because this will accelerate, no? Because it will accelerate. Formula for this acceleration, F is equal to MA and A is equal to F by M. So what is F here? F is equal to EQ. 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 E is equal to F is equal to EQ by U. So this is the acceleration of the charge. Okay, note it down. So our next topic is null point or neutral point. Null point or neutral point. Consider a positive charge, a Q, whose field is spread over here and somewhat a distance. And here you just consider your positive test charge. This one, both are positive. So there is a force of repulsion. Force of repulsion is acting in this direction. So can I take this as a Q1 and a Q2? This is a Q1 and this is a Q0. Q1 and a Q0. Now, if I introduce a charge between these two, I go for in order Q1, Q2, and this is the third charge. This is located here. This is the test charge Q0, right? So these two are positive charges, plus and plus. Okay. Observe carefully what is going to be happening here. These two are repelled one another, and force is acting in this direction. And due to this field E1, this will repel, and this E1 is along positive x-axis. And these two are, this is a positive and this is a positive. Its field is also acting. In the field of this one. This is located, and observe these two, and it is repelled by this one. This one Q0 is repelled by Q2 with a field of E2. Observe this one. U1 is in one direction, U2 is in another direction. It is located in the middle of these two. Middle means not at center. And it is located, if it is located at a distance x. Okay, if it is located at a distance x, whichever it is, x or yeah, or whichever it is, you can take. You can take. As your wish, you can take. If it is x, okay. If it is not x, is also okay. And the distance between these two is taken as r. And now, what is the distance between these two? This is r minus x. R minus x. So Q1, Q2 are two charges which is at a distance of r, and Q0 is a test charge which is placed between Q1 and Q2, and this Q0 will experience a force due to Q1 in the direction E1, and Q0 will again experience a force with the Q2 in the direction E2. Both electric fields are opposite to one another. So somewhere you will get this one. E1 plus E2 is equal to 0 when it experiences a zero force. That means the location of this X is a null electric field. దీని లొకేషన్లో ఈ రెండు యాడ్ అయ్యి జీరో వచ్చింది అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే E1 బార్ ప్లస్ E2 బార్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే ఏంటి అంటే this won't experience any force. That means it is located at a distance x where there is no field. No field. ఈ Q0 అనేది ఎక్కడ లొకేట్ అయ్యింది అంటే ఎక్కడైతే E1 ఎఫెక్ట్ E2 ఎఫెక్ట్ లేదో అక్కడ లొకేట్ అయ్యింది. I hope you understand this one. Now, suppose Q1 is a positive charge and Q2 is a negative charge. Q2 is a negative charge. In previous case, both are positive charges, and here one is a positive, another one is a negative charge. And Q0 is a charge which is placed either side of this one. Can you take on this side? Q0. This is a test charge. And what is the distance here? It is at a distance. They are separated by a distance r, and it is at a distance of x from Q. And here it is at a distance of r plus x from Q1. Observe this one, how it will change. And this is a positive charge and a Q0 is a test charge. What is the direction of field? Since it is a positive, it is directed away from the charge. So along the direction of field, that is E1 is acting on this one. So this will experience a repulsive force. This will experience a repulsive force. Got it? A repulsive force. Q0 will experience a repulsive force with the Q1. Q0 will experience a repulsive force with the Q1, which is located at a distance of r plus x. Observe, from here to here it is r, from here to here it is a r plus x. From, I will write this one, note this one, r plus x. So in which direction? In this direction, E1. Now Q2 is a negative charge, Q0 is a positive charge. So this field is towards Q2, then along this field E2, this will experience a attractive force. Here also both are acting opposite to one another. Then there exists a null point at a distance of x when E1 plus E2 is equals to 0. You just repeat this video once again and once again, then you will get idea on this one. Otherwise you may not get. Listen carefully these two. Tomorrow we are going to derive expression for null point for this one and for this one also. Okay? Note it down carefully, children. A little bit disturbance today in the class due to sounds, unnecessary sounds, surrounding unnecessary sounds. Okay? So So since you are a students, you need to listen once again and once again. By keeping your pencil on these lines, then you will get idea. Otherwise you may not understand like two table. This is not a two table to understand very quickly, right? సో నన్ను మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, ఇవి నేను చెప్పేది మీకు అర్థం కావాలి అంటే 2-3 సార్లు వినాలి. మీరు చిన్నపిల్లలు ఒకసారి విని చిన్న చిన్న సంస్థలాగా అర్థం అవ్వాలి అంటే అర్థం అవ్వదు. 2, 3, 6 అంటేనే అర్థం అవుతుంది. బట్ 2.5 into 6 వేస్తే కాసేపు లేట్ అవుతుంది. అలాంటివి రిపీటెడ్గా చేస్తుంటే అర్థమవుతుంది. సో నేను చెప్పేది కూడా ఇది చెప్పిన వెంటనే అర్థం కావాలని అయితే లేదు. కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ వినండి. వినేటప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన స్టేట్మెంట్ని ఇలా కంపేర్ చేయండి, పెన్సిల్తో ఇలా కంపేర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే దెన్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ 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 మోస్ట్ ఇంటెలిజెంట్ దాన్ యువర్ ఏఐ, ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. బికాజ్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ డజంట్ క్రియేట్ దిస్ వన్. ఒకసారి డిఫరెన్స్ కూడా చెప్తాను. ఏఐలో మీరు కొట్టే ప్రతి సమ్ము మీరు టాప్లో చూస్తే దట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ ఫ్రమ్ డిఫరెంట్ వెబ్సైట్స్ ఉంది. ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్, అది మీకు క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు, అది సొంతగా ఆలోచించి ఇవ్వలేదు. డిఫరెంట్ వెబ్సైట్స్ని సెర్చ్ చేసి, మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, మనం 4-5 సార్లు వేరే 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 వెబ్సైట్స్లో సెర్చ్ చేసి తీసుకునే డేటా ఏఐ అనేది ఒకేసారి సెర్చ్ చేసి ఇస్తుంది, అంతే. ఓకేనా? మనము 4-5 చోట్ల సెర్చ్ చేసి తీసుకోవాలి అంటే చాలా టైం పడుతుంది. ఏ అయితే వితిన్ సెకండ్స్లో ఇస్తుంది. అంతేగాని ఏఐని మనం తయారు చేసాం, అది మనల్ని తయారు చేయలేదు. ఓకేనా సార్? సో దీన్ని వినేటప్పుడు మీరు ఏఐ బ్రెయిన్తో యూజ్ చేయకండి, మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఇఫ్ యూ డజంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ మీన్స్ యూ జస్ట్ మెసేజ్ టు మీ. సో note it down. Tomorrow we are going to get the equations for null points.